Since discovering drones, my fascination with exploring new landscapes has turned into a constant search for adventures and discoveries. The drones are not only flying toys, they are tools that expand our perspectives. They allow me to see the world from angles that were previously inaccessible. These devices open doors to a completely new way of seeing the world, revealing the hidden beauty of remote and majestic places. The trips to remote places and immersion in nature have been an inexhaustible source of inspiration. Drones on the ground capture moments, creating unforgettable memories. Exploring nature with drones has made me appreciate even more the importance of preserving these spaces. It is essential to take care of our planet for future generations. The connection with nature is a fundamental aspect of this country. Each drone flight becomes an opportunity to admire and respect the beauty of our world. Exploring nature with drones is not just in passion, it is a form of art, an expression of love for the planet we call home.